Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you see this video. Okay, that's why I'm telling all the three. So now the mock test 3, really good tough questions are there. Now you have done lot of practice. So I'll give the hint only, rest calculations and all you must do it. Okay, then take a time and start doing the calculations. So question paper PDF is available in the WhatsApp channel. You subscribe it, so you'll get the updates also of other competitions and rank, all those things, you'll get the informations updated. Okay, let's start. So first question, 0 to 2 mod of x minus 1. So if we draw the graph of mod x minus 1, this is 1, this is the graph. So graph gives you an idea, it is continuous at 1, but it is not differentiable. So mod x 1 minus x or x minus 1 both are same. So you want 0 to 2. So from 0 to 1, this will be minus times of x minus 1, and 1 to 2 it is x minus 1 dx. X minus 1, sorry, not dx. So minus times of x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 2 it is x minus 1 dx. Clear? Because this is defined minus times of x minus 1, because mod must always be positive. So this will give you minus outside 0 to 1. So this is x square by 2 minus x plus 1 to 2 x square by 2 minus x. Rest you solve, I'll tell you the answer. The option D will come, 1 will come when you solve it. Now I'll tell you the shortcut method for this. If we put x equal to 0, this is 1 and this is 1. So area will be how much? Half. This area is half because this is 1 and this is 1. If you put to 2, then also 1. Half and half is 1. So without integral calculus also, you can solve this question. Half plus half is equal to 1 if you do proper graph. Next. Area enclosed by x square equal to 4ay. Graph is symmetric about y-axis. The graph will be like this. X-axis x equal to 0 and x equal to 4a. This is 4a. So this area you require. Clear? So integral 0 to 4a. Okay, y dx means x square by 4a dx. So this will give you 0 to 4a. This will give you x cube by 12a. So what has 4 for 16? 64. 64a cube by 12a. So this can be written as this can 4 3s and 4 16 4 is 64 16. So 16a square by 3. 16a square by 3. Remember as a result. So remember as a result. Why? This result will be useful. Tomorrow they'll ask you x square is equal to 22y. So directly you can substitute it. So 16a square by 3 is a result. Next. Area of the region y is equal to 2x minus x square. So this can be written as y is equal to x into 2 minus x. So when y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. If you try to draw the graph of it, the graph will be like this. Why it is reverse? Because coefficient of x square is negative. This is a reverse graph. X-axis. So area of the region is from 0 to 2. This is the area they are asking. So what we get? Integral 0 to 2, 2x minus x square dx. This will give you x square minus x cube by 3, 0 to 2. 2 to 4 minus 8 by 3. So the fourth is 4 by 3 square unit, option D. Okay. Let me check also simultaneously. Option B, previous one is correct. This is option D is correct. It's a good question. Solution of differential equation y dx. Okay. This is y dx plus x dy plus x square y dy. Okay. Here I am writing a concept. It will be useful. D of xy is x dy plus y dx. Please remember the formula. Similarly, d of x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy, quotient rule, divided by y square. So d of y by x is equal to x dy minus y dx by x square. These are the three formulae majorly we use it. So y dx plus x dy is nothing but d of xy plus x square y dy is equal to 0. Divide by x square y square. So d of xy divided by x square y square plus how much we get, dy by y is equal to 0. Correct? Now integrate both sides. D of xy by x square y square is equal to minus times of d of y by y. So this is nothing but dt by t square minus 1 by xy, and this is equal to minus log y some constant k. So minus you can remove, 1 plus xy minus xy, option B is correct. Option B is correct. Please complete it. Option B is correct. Okay. So these are the three concepts. Please remember, it will be useful to you. Next, simple question, order and degree of the differential equation. It is in a polynomial. Highest order is 2, power on 2 is equal to 1. Second order, 1 degree. Second order and degree 1. Option E is correct. Second order degree 1 is correct. Next one. Solve the differential equation. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x. You can treat a linear equation. dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 1. So what is linear differential equation? dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. This is the concept. What is the solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor p dx. Correct? This is the concept. So every time I'm trying my level best to give the concepts also. Please retain concepts. What is the integrating constant here? E to the power minus 1 by x dx. This will give you e to the power minus log x, which is equal to 1 by x. Solution will be y by x is equal to 1 by x dx. So this will give you y by x is equal to log x plus c. When x equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So log 1 is 0. So c is equal to, so this get 1 is equal to log 1 plus c. So c equal to 1. So we get y by x is equal to log x plus 1. So what will come? Y by x is equal to log x plus 1. So this can also be written as y by x is equal to log x plus log e. Log x plus log e. So y is equal to x log x plus 1. So option D is correct. Y is equal to x log x plus x. Option D is correct. Shortest distance between the two. What is the formula of shortest distance? A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by mod B1 cross B2. That's the formula of shortest distance. Okay, please write down the formula of shortest distance. Okay, what is the formula? Formula is A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by mod B1 cross B2. So what is B1 cross B2 here? So this is B1 and this is equal to B2. So this is equal to A1, this is equal to A2. So B1 cross B2. To find B1 cross B2, use the help of determinant I, J, K, next 1, 2, minus 3, and this is equal to 2, 4, minus 5. This takes little time to calculate B1 cross B2. Okay, once you get B1 cross B2, you will get 2i minus j, you will get it. B1 cross B2. What is the mod of this one? Mod of B1 cross B2 is equal to under root of 4 plus 1, which is equal to root 5. So now what is A2 minus A1? A2, I minus 4i. So A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 3i. Next to minus j, minus j, minus j, minus minus plus j. So, and this is 2k plus 2k. So A2 minus A1 is minus 3i plus 2k. Okay, minus 2i plus 2k. So then you take the dot product of it. When you take the dot product of this vector, so you get minus 6, minus 6. Okay, you get how much dot product? Dot product you get it as minus 6. So you substitute in the formula A2 vector minus A1 vector dot B1 cross B2, B1 cross B2, you got how much? Minus 6. Okay, mod is root 5. So final answer is 6 by root 5. Final answer is 6 by root 5. 6 by root 5, option C. So please remember this formula as a concept, A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross. Most of the students do mistake in calculations. You must be good in calculations. This is the concept formula for shortest distance. 3 mock test papers are sufficient. All concepts are covered. And 2023 paper and 2022 paper. 2022 paper, 23 paper, 3 mock tests are sufficient. And Pakka, I'm telling you, 80% of the problems based on the same concepts will come. Question number 8, vector equation of a line. So what you have to do, this line equation is given. First of all, you have to form, what is the vector equation we write? R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. That's a line vector equation. Okay. So from which point it is passing? So this can be written as, you take 6 out. X minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 6 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. Same thing you'll get. Is equal to z minus 1 by 1 by 2. Okay. So these are the DRs. 1 by 6, 1 by 3. So 6 minus, this is 2 by 3. 2 by, this is will be, 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. 6 if you take common. So 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So this is the line equation form. It passes through which point? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and 1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and 1. See? And we can multiply by 6. These are the DRs. We can multiply by 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Option A, C is correct. Okay. Let me check. Option C is correct. I hope you all have understood. X minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. These are the ABCs. Big BC ratios can be written as multiply by 6 throughout. You get 1, 2, 3. Equation of line to this point parallel. So what happens? X minus 1 by direction ratios are same is equal to y minus 2 by direction ratios is 7 and z plus 2 by minus 2. Check which option is coming. The option C must come, correct? This is the next question. You can easily identify which option will come. Option A is correct. Check option A, x minus 1 by 2. Option A is correct. So minimum value z is equal to x plus y is less than equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. This is a line. This is 10 comma 0. This is 0 comma 10. And y is less than equal to 4. Y is less than equal to 4. This is 4. Y is greater than equal to 0. This is the shaded area you get. This is 0, 0. For this point, if we take y is equal to 4, x is equal to 6. 6 comma 4. What is this point? If you put, this is, sorry. This is y is 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. This is 6 comma 4. So you got the 4 points. You substitute the 4 points, whichever is coming the maxima, you get the maximum value. So D will be max, this will be maximum at 10 comma 0. So Z is equal to 5 into 10 minus 4 into 0, you get 50, the maximum value. Okay. So you get 10 comma 0. 10 comma minus 10 is not there. It is 10 comma 0 is option is not given. So S is 10 comma 0. The typographical error is there. Option D is correct. 0 comma 4 you will get minus 16. They are asking minimum value, sorry, not the maximum value. They are asking minimum value. So minimum value you will get it at 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. If you put 0, that is equal to 0 minus 4 4s are 16. Minus 16 is the minimum. 0 comma minus 4 you get the minimum. But 0 comma 4. So 0 comma 4 is this point. This point you are getting the minimum. They are asking the minimum only. Okay, maximum I think 10 comma 0. Yes, maximum 10 comma 0. This is the maxima. What I calculated the maxima. And this is minimum. Simple question. Just you have to substitute all the 4 coordinates and check which is minimum, which is maximum. So reason represented by system of equation x y is greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 0 means upper, and y is less than equal to 6. This is 6. Y is less than or equal to 6. This is 0. And x plus y is less than equal to 3. This x plus y is less than equal to 3. This point is 3. 3 comma 0. This is 0 comma 3. So y is less than equal to 6. This area. Y is greater than equal to 0. Upper area. And x plus y. This is the shaded area you are getting it. This is the shaded area you are getting it. Okay. So the answer will be option C. What is option C? Bounded in the first quadrant. Option C is bounded in the first quadrant. See, the diagram clearly shows. A is a square matrix. A square is equal to A. Same 1 plus A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3 times I plus A. Okay. Minus 7a, sorry. This is I. A square is equal to A cube can be written as A square into A plus 3A into I plus A minus 7a. Again A square is A square is A square is again A. So 1 plus A plus 3A plus 3A square minus 7a. Correct? So how much we get? I plus A square is again A. 3, 3, 6, 7. 7a minus 7a. I think I is the option. 12th option C is correct. Option C is correct. Simple calculation. A plus B, A minus 2B is given. Simple question again. A plus B, A minus 2B is written. Subtract it. So what do we get? 3B. When we subtract two matrices, 1 minus minus plus 1 will become 2. And 0 minus 0. Again 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 plus 2. Okay. So once you got the B, you can get the value of A also. B is equal to 1 by 3 times 2, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. B you got it, you can get A also. Okay. How to get A? A is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 1 by 3 times of B, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. And 1 minus 1 by 3 is again 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Again 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Check which option is coming. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 0. 1 by 3, 0. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. (14) A to the power 4. Same concept I leave for you. You have to calculate A square, and A square you do it two times. You will get the required answer. You know how to multiply the two matrices. Minus 1, 3, minus 2, 4. And again write minus 1, 3, minus 2 and 4, multiply row into column, first row into first column, first row into second column, second row into first column, second row into second column. You get your required answer. 40. This answer will give you, this will give you option. This is option B is correct, will come. Option B will come. Okay, I'm giving you this as a solve it properly, you'll get the required result. Nothing, only have to multiply a square and a square, you get your required result. Determinant, this is also very simple, you all can do it. Okay, you subtract R1 minus R2 and write in R1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Again write R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3, okay, 44 and write in R2 minus 1, this again minus 1 and this again 0. This is 45, 46, 46. Rest you all know. This again you subtract is 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 45, 46, 46. If you solve it, I think you get answer as 1. Option C, 15, option C. Which of the following is 1, 1? So simple concept of 1, 1 is there. Draw the graph and draw horizontal line. If cuts are 2 or more, it is not 1, 1. Suppose fx equal to x square. Draw horizontal line. It cuts at 2 points. So it cannot be 1, 1. Again x square minus 2. If you put x equal to minus 1 by 2, this is a graph. This is x square minus 1 by 2. Again, it can't be 1, 1. It can't be 1, 1. Okay, cos x graph. 0 to pi. This is the cos x graph. Okay, this is 2 pi. And this is 0. Again so. So option C is correct. So what's the concept? If you draw a horizontal line, it cuts at 2 or more points, it is not a 1, 1. If it cuts at only 1 point, then we say 1, 1. Select 2x plus 5 is only straight line. Okay, if you put x equal to 0, y equal to 5 like this, cuts at only 1 point. So it is 1, 1. Fx continuous, when we say continuous, left hand limit extending to minus pi by 2 minus 2 sin x. Okay, so if you substitute it, sin minus pi by 2 is equal to minus 1, we will get 2. This is left hand limit. Right hand limit extending to minus pi by 2 plus a sin x plus b. So you'll get how much? B minus a, which is equal to 2. These two are equal. Similarly, at pi by 2, limit extending to pi by 2 minus left hand limit is nothing but a sin x plus b, you get a plus b because sin pi by 2 plus. Similarly, right hand limit extending to pi by 2 plus, sorry for handwriting, cos x, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So a plus b equal to 0. So a plus b equal to 0, b minus a is equal to 2, add 2, 2b is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. If b is equal to 1, a equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1, b equal to 1. Option C is correct. Fx equal to the continuous. See, if you see the graph, what is the domain? X is greater than 0. Log x graph. This is the log x graph. This is the log x graph. This is 0. This is 1, 0. Okay. Sin x, anywhere it can be. What is the common? X is greater than 0. So where it is continuous? When x is greater than 0. 18th, the answer option B is right. X is greater than 0. Clear? So domain is x is greater than 0 exists. Sin x also exists greater than 0. So no problem. Get a signature of tan square x. Limit extending to 0 does not exist, which let's check. Limit. Okay, before that, tan square x graph I'll draw. That will give you clarity of view. This is tan square x graph. 0, this is pi by 2, this is minus pi by 2. Observe, left of 0 is also less than 1, this is 1, and you get it pi by 4. This is minus pi by 4. Left of 0 is also means less than 1, right of 0 is less than 1. So it exists, perfectly correct. So fx is continuous, limit extending to 0, fx does not exist, wrong. Fx is continuous at x equal to 0, yes, function is continuous at x equal to 0. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. See, graph helps a lot, very easy. Left you approach, right you approach, okay, so always value will be 0. So function is continuous. So option B is correct. This is fx is continuous, option B. Next. Mod sin x. Draw the graph. See, graph. How much you draw the graph? Thorough. So many things are clear. So function is continuous at pi, but not differentiable at 2 pi, because this is the graph. Two tangents you are getting at the same point. So differentiable at x equal to 0, no. Not differentiable at x equal to pi by 2. Differentiable at pi by 2. Pi by 2 is here, na? Differentiable at pi by 2. Not differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay, not differentiable at x equal to 0. Clearly graph says. I am just checking the answers. Otherwise, any mistake happens, at least we can cross verify. 21, tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, x equal to tan theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. So effectively you get 2 tan inverse x. Direct formula. Derivative of this will be d by dx of 2 tan inverse x, you know, 2 by 1 plus x square. Why I am writing is to just a practice to recall your formula. Derivative of one function with respect to another function. This is y, this is t. They are asking dy by dt. What is the formula? This is concept, please. dy by dx into dx by dt. Okay, dy by dx. So this is nothing but 2 sin inverse x, because 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, sin inverse sin 2 theta is 2 theta. So this is 2 sin inverse x. So y is equal to 2 sin inverse x. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx 2 by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Now, if we substitute x is equal to sin theta, this is tan inverse x equal to sin theta. So what happens? Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta is theta. Theta is sin inverse x. So t is equal to sin inverse x. So dt by dx is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So what is dy by dt? dy by dt will give you 2. dy by dt will give you 2. Option D. Okay. Option D. Critical values of x for which function sin x is 0 to pi. Sin square x. Graph is like this. 0 to pi. Clear. They give an open interval, pi. So what is happening if you take, what is critical point? Where you get a horizontal tangent? Horizontal tangent you get at pi by 2. Okay, what is the derivative? F dash x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So f dash x is equal to 0 at x is equal to pi by 2. F dash is equal to 0 at x equal to pi by 2. Okay. So in this case what happens? Option B is correct. Option B is correct, because when why option B is correct? F dash x equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0 at x equal to pi by 2, sin x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. Okay, so two possibilities are there, 0 and pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2 and x equal to 0. Simple. It's a good question. So sin x plus cos x by root 1 plus sin 2x, okay, into e to the power sin x. What is 1? Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Denominator, this is nothing but sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, so nothing is given, modulus. So these two will cancel. So what is left over? E to the power sin x cos x dx. Sin x is equal to t, cos x dx is equal to dt. So we get e to the power t dt, which is equal to e to the power t plus c, e to the power sin x plus c. Option A. 24, option A. 25. So this is also a simple one. Dx by sin inverse x into under root of 1 minus x square. This is root sin inverse x. Okay. So sin inverse x is equal to t square. So 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to 2t dt. So this will give you 2t dt by t. So it will give you 2t plus c. What is t? T is nothing but root sin inverse x. So this is 2 root sin inverse x. Option C is correct. 25, option C is correct. X plus sin x is a good question. This can be written as x by 2 cos square x by 2 dx plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This question so many times they have asked in competitions. A lot of students are stuck up, so very carefully will do. This can be written as 1 by 2 x secant square x by 2 dx. Let us do pi parts. So 1 by 2 x, okay, 1 by 2 x, or you write x only, this 1 by 2, okay. So integral of 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx minus integral d by dx of x into integral of, box open of course, integral of 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx, box close dx. I am not talking about that one. So this will give you x tan x by 2. Integral of secant square x by 2 tan x by 2 tan x by 2, 2 will cancel, x tan x by 2 minus tan x by 2 dx plus what is written here, 2 into tan x by 2. So these two will cancel. You get x tan x by 2 plus. Remember, as a result, my gut feeling is that this question may come in your COMEDK. Okay? This is pakka question will come. Because this type of questions very rarely students are able to do. If you remember answer, tuck, x into tan x by 2. Tan square 2x, you convert, we know 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So tan square x will become secant square 2x minus 1 dx. Integral of secant square x is tan 2x by 2 minus x plus c. Tan 2x by 2 minus x, tan 2x by 2 minus x. Okay, option C. 27, option C. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Because of what is the concept? Minus a 2 plus a f of x dx is equal to 0 when fx is odd function. And this is minus a 2 plus a f of x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx when fx is even. Obviously cos x is or even, but log 1 minus x by 1 plus x is odd. So final answer is 0. Odd into even is odd only. 29. A sin x plus b cos x, the concept used is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Here a is equal to pi by 2. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This will become a cos x plus b sin x divided by sin x plus cos x won't change. It becomes cos x plus sin x. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. Add equation 1 plus equation 2. So we get 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. How much we get then? So cos x is common. A plus b cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x dx. This also very important. Remember, as a result, I is equal to a plus b by 2. Of course, I forgot pi won't come anywhere. Why pi will come? No, pi won't come. When you add it up, a plus b by 2 will come. 29, let me check. Oh, sorry. When we integrate it, a plus pi by 2, yes, this pi by 2 will come. When you integrate, this becomes x, na? A plus b, x. So integral of x will give pi by 2, yes. A plus b plus pi by 2. Option C is correct. Because integration of a plus b is a plus b x. X you have to substitute, na? Pi by 2. Next. Simple one. Factors. There's nothing but 0 to 2 dx by under root of 4 minus times of x minus 2 whole square. Just check what I should write here. Minus x square is correct, plus 4x is correct. What x are getting? I am getting minus 4. So minus 4. So this can be written as, this is minus 4 will come. I'll do in a proper way. Otherwise you all will become, so minus you take common, x square minus 4x minus 4. Perfect. So this will give you how much? X minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 4. So what happens? This will become 8. Okay. So this will become 8 minus x minus 2 whole square. So what formula we have to find? Integral dx by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. So we get sine inverse x minus 2 by 2 root 2. Limits are from 0 to 2. If you put upper limit, so 0, 2 minus 2 will give 0. Lower limit, so lower limit will be minus. Lower limit will be some minus sine inverse minus 1 by root 2. This will give you pi by 4. This is minus pi by 4 minus plus pi by 4. Option B is correct. Let me check. Option B is correct. Okay. So we did 30 problems. So all 3 mock tests are very, very important. If you do properly each and every question. And again, I'm telling you, so 2023 paper and 2022 paper. You don't have to do 21 paper. 22 paper, 23 paper, 3 mock tests if you do, I'm sure that you will score more than 80%. Okay, you can compare also after exam. It's my challenge that 3 mock tests and 23 paper and 22 paper, you do completely, sure that 70 to 80% problems, might be some standard results will be there. Thank you, we'll meet you again, bye, take care, have a nice time.